for high GC News, Mema Wibia Akwaba. I had here latest and hot news and qua Aremeyaw Bremo. Anuti so you subscribe to channel video Bomodia say obe subscribe. Robean say obe click the subscribe button. Now our belly notification. We have video for be upload when the first person I want sa ebeka AS video. I feel we are now like video and give us a thumbs up now fe share my work for us now when you be here now who and somewhere across Ghana memoir. I feel Yambura and somewhere abeto yaponoso. The president John Dramani Mahama yɛhwɛ ɛyɛ ne swearing in abra wo take oath no na wo saw ɛyɛ Akufo Addo no ɛyɛ the sword no yɛnkɔhwɛ ɛyɛ video a ɛbɛto dwa ɛfa ɛyɛ sansɛm ɛhwɛ video.
Invite His Excellency the President elect to take and subscribe to the oath of allegiance and the presidential oath. Your Excellency, you may now proceed to do so.
Your Excellency, kindly say after me, this is the oath of allegiance. I, your name,
John Dramani Mahama,
do in the name of the Almighty God swear.
Do in the name of the Almighty God swear.
That I will bear true faith.
That I will bear true faith.
And allegiance.
And allegiance.
To the Republic of Ghana.
To the Republic of Ghana.
As by law established.
As by law established.
That I will uphold.
And that I will uphold.
The sovereignty.
The sovereignty.
And integrity.
And integrity.
Of Ghana.
Of Ghana.
And that I will preserve.
And that I will preserve.
Protect.
Protect.
And defend.
And defend.
The Constitution.
The Constitution.
Of the Republic of Ghana.
Of the Republic of Ghana.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Your Excellency, now the presidential oath.
I, John Dramani Mahama,
having been elected
to
the high office of President of the Republic of Ghana, do in the name of the Almighty God swear.
Do in the name of the Almighty God swear.
That I will be faithful.
That I will be faithful.
And true.
To
the Republic of Ghana.
To the Republic of Ghana.
That I will at all times.
That I will at all times.
Preserve. Protect. And defend. The Constitution. Of the Republic of Ghana. And that I dedicate myself. To the service. And well-being. Of the people. Of the Republic of Ghana. And to do right. To all manner of persons. I further. Solemnly swear. That should I. At any time. Break this oath of office. I shall submit myself. To the laws of the Republic of Ghana. And suffer. The penalty for it. So help me God. Congratulations, Mr. President. Let me be the first.
We stand.
Culture and steady in its pursuit of progress. Today we celebrate a momentous occasion in our nation's history as we welcome the newly elected president, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. A true nation builder committed to forging a brighter future for all Ghanaians. John Mahama embodies the pillars of leadership that our nation craves: trustworthiness, reliability, modesty, and above all, truthfulness. From the moment he stepped into the political arena, John Mahama has demonstrated an unwavering commitment to the people of Ghana. His approachable demeanor, paired with his genuine concern for the needs of the Ghanaian, has earned him their trust. A trust that is pivotal for any leader aiming to guide a nation through challenging times.
What I really like about JDM is his humility. The man is simply so down to earth, it's unbelievable. He's so humble, it's unbelievable. I really like that about him.
John Mahama osronyame, odonyame, osronyame, openi pasem, okita kumapa. Mihuna se mihuni abema. Oyobi so a onyiye nipam. We are kwalao, we are penio, we are pepenio, we are trivio, we are the biao, try to be our fibia, John Mahama to us. On kase, we in a tree, we in your will.
Honorable members, President Mahama is practical. He communicates his issues very, very well, and he understands the Ghanaian politics very well. He understands the Ghanaian people very well, and that is what I like about him.
The brand John Dramani Mahama is not just a name. It represents resilience, strength, progress, and empathy.
I believe John Dramani Mahama is loved by many. His personality.
And now, on your behalf, invite His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Ghana.
Yo, it for Winnie and Summer Abeto. Yepno so Mikao says, so we now subscribe to channel here. Bomodia say we subscribe. As a hadia later and hot news and kwa Aremeyaw Bremo. After we are now like video, no give us a thumbs up now. Fi share ma Ato Forson na when you be here now who and somewhere koso ewo Ghana memuha. Uso betimi otchere wadwen afa here and somewhere nyina ho ewo comment box ni mu. Mobati minkabium in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.